Oh, it's a Helldiver.
You'd be scared when you saw one of these.
Why?
And actually, the people in them were very scared too, because you know
Why?
they weren't the safest, because you'll be, you know, dive bombing the Japanese Navy, and they'll be shooting at you with everything they got.
What do you mean?
These things were attacking like battleships and aircraft carriers.
And how would they do that?
They would fly high above them,
Yes.
spot them,
Yes.
look at the Nippon Maru, which is the.
So they didn't just set it on their like Google Maps?
No, I didn't have Google Maps back then.
Didn't
They're
they?
just looking around, looking for stuff.
Really?
Yep.
I love that. Wouldn't that be so
and
casual?
then they dive straight down.
Really? Like a water bird.
Click the button.
Click the button.
Release the bomb. Hopefully it hits the ship, and then they got to pull out late, and off they go.
Why would they pull out late?
Because the later they pulled out, the more accurate the bomb was going to be.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So they got really, really close, and because of that, they were in a lot of danger because of all the flak coming up.
Or the what?
All the flak.
Flak.
Cop and flak.
Just
That's where it comes from.
Really?
Yeah, flak is anti-aircraft munitions.
Cop and flak. There
That's
you go.
right.
I'm learning about Warcraft day by day. Hey.
So this is from a company called Infinity Models.
Ooh.
And this
Sounds
is
special.
a subsidiary of HBH. So HBH specialize in really huge, generally 1/32 scale aircraft with a resin cast.
Which is lucky because this is actually 1/32 scale.
That's right, and it's all plastic. Okay, so it's much more affordable than their resin stuff. The resin stuff is like thousands of dollars.
Really?
And this is like a couple $100.
But still top end.
It's top end.
That's
Okay.
top end, no?
And they're clever in the way that it's been put together, because this is just the plastic parts. If you want resin bits, then that is an additional add-on. So there's photo etch and all different things which you can buy separately for it, depending on how complicated you want the kit to be.
So
some people just
so
are
what
happy
you're
with
saying
the-
is it comes with everything in the box to build it,
Yes.
but if you want it to be awesome,
Yeah, you can buy extra bits.
Extra
to
bits.
replace. Like engine bits, photo etch bits, enhanced detail. Yeah, it's up to you. But beautiful kit as it is too. All plastic in there.
sounds much like a certain sea company I know of. I won't mention their name.
We know which one it is.
We know which one. Instead of buying everything that's good in one box, they give you a little bit and
Yeah.
then you buy it. Right.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's different ways of looking at
Well,
it.
I
Right?
suppose you don't want to
So
buy
different to
thousands.
the kit we looked at before. The kit we
Yeah.
looked at before had all the good bits in it.
All the good bits in it.
Shall we all look from the top?
Yeah, let's go
Let's
to
have a
top.
quick look at
Let's
the box.
go to Top Town.
So this is all sealed, so we're not going to cut
Ooh.
it open.
You haven't done an open boxing in ages.
It's been a while.
I don't get to put my fingers in there.
No, not this one.
All
Not
right.
this one.
Bit special.
Yeah.
You're just teasing me.
So you got your pilot up the front end,
Yep.
and then you got your gunner
Gunner.
in the back end.
He's gonna
It's
do.
all open.
One day he's gonna be a pilot.
Maybe you can try.
Yep.
But I mean, they're pretty chunky aircraft.
And they got
So this will be a big kit.
the line out to do their washing.
That's right. You can put out, your shorts and your shirts.
Yep. Well, they just
I'll dry
cruise-
pretty quick while it cruises around, wouldn't it?
Yeah. What was that called?
That's an aerial.
Yeah.
Mm.
Right.
Yep.
What for Siri? You said they didn't have Siri.
No, it was called something else back then, I think.
Ah.
Yeah, I think it was called shouting. And then under here, you can just sort of see the air brakes. So this would be a split flap, so that to pull out, not have them open to get the lift to pull back out.
Really?
Very funky.
I love it. And it comes out of the Czech Republic.
Yes.
Even
There's a lot
better.
of good stuff coming out of the
Plastics
Czech
by
Republic.
HPH Infinity Models.
That's it.
The Helldiver.
Yeah, and that's the first of their series.
Are we the
And
only
plastics.
ones in Australia with this? Yes.
Oh, you said so.
I
Maybe,
like-
may not.
But I'd like to say yes. No,
Yeah.
because we do try and we work really hard to get really special stuff, don't we?
Yeah.
And this is, no, all jokes aside, this is a really special kit.
Actually, looking at it here,
Yes.
it tells me the sizes.
Oh, 350 mil fuselage length.